You guys are gonna love this. We're halfway through unboxing this awesome gifted advent calendar from Xbox, and it has been epic so far, but you guys will not want to miss the rest. That's because behind doors 7 to 12 is basically the exact same products again. Stunning artisan keycaps for Starfield, Diablo 4, Black Ops 6, Stalker 2 and Pillars of Eternity 2 Deadfire, and a code for a year of Game Pass Ultimate. But obviously I don't need 2 of all of these. So let me know in the comments if you think I should give one of each away.